everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make these super easy gingerbread cookie bars with creamy vanilla buttercream and Christmas sprinkles. They are the perfect way to enjoy delicious homemade gingerbread without all of the extra work. Before we get started, don't forget to check out my new holiday cookbook that's linked in the description and has over 31 of my favorite holiday treats. Now take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the gingerbread cookies, 3/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, beat together 3/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of molasses until smooth. Mix in the egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and mix until combined. Spread the dough onto a greased 9x13 baking dish or jelly roll pan and bake the cookie at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and let the cookie cool completely. To make the frosting, whip 1/2 cup of softened butter until light and fluffy. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and continue to beat. Gradually add the 2 cups of powdered sugar. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or cream to make the frosting spreadable. Spread the frosting over the cooled cookie, top with Christmas sprinkles, and cut into bars. I hope you love these gingerbread cookie bars as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to check out my holiday cookbook and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!